Is your desktop causing you headaches? From unexpected crashes to sluggish performance, these issues can disrupt your day. But don't worry, help is at hand. Say goodbye to computer woes with our expert desktop repair services. Based in Fort Myers Beach, we specialize in diagnosing and fixing a wide range of desktop problems. Whether it's a hardware malfunction or a software glitch, we've got you covered. We understand the importance of convenience, which is why we offer in-home and office visits. No need to dismantle your setup. Our technicians come to you, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Our services include hardware replacement, software troubleshooting, and performance optimization. We aim to restore your desktop to its optimal condition, so you can get back to what matters most. We pride ourselves on providing fast, reliable, and affordable solutions tailored to your needs. Goal is to deliver efficient service, minimizing downtime, and maximizing satisfaction. Request a free quote today by calling us at 239-421-8187 or visiting our website at fortmyersbeachdesktop.ice.com. Our friendly team is ready to assist you with any inquiries. Why wait? Your perfect desktop is just a call away. Contact us now for top-notch desktop repair service in Fort Myers Beach, Florida.